So just finished having my car charger installed by Smart Home Charge. Really easy process from start to finish.
Smart Home Charge did a very good job installing this. It's a very nice and neat installation. They did a professional job. I'm really pleased with it.
The Smart Home Charge provided me with a very quick and reasonable quotation. There's loads of information on the website to help you choose. The installation was carried out really quickly and really well.
It's really tidy on the wall, there's no cables or anything showing. It's right next to my meter outside the front of my house.
The whole process was really simple from start to finish. Getting quotes, they helped me through that, providing all the information that they needed. The quote was competitive. Making the arrangement to come and do the installation was easy.
We bought the Tesla charger, it was compatible with the car and it works fine, very happy with it. They gave us a very reasonable quote. Their guy turned up early on the day, in fact. He was very focused, did a very neat and tidy job.
We're really happy with the installation from Smart Home Charger. The process was really good.
I'd say customer service was really good when quoting, and the chap who installed it couldn't have been more helpful. He turned up on time, he was clean, he tidy when he did the job.
They were very helpful when I contacted them on a few occasions, and the installer that came out was excellent. Neat, tidy, and the quality of work was fantastic.
Would I recommend Smart Home Charge? Absolutely I would, and I have done already.
I was very impressed with Smart Home Charge, would certainly recommend them to anyone.
And overall it's just been a fantastic experience. 10 out of 10 would recommend.